Hi, it's Michelle from Movement Lesson, and as you know, or maybe don't know, I am doing oils, CBD with essential oils. I really saw the need to help a lot of my clients didn't know where to go for product that was reliable or wasn't sure. Essential oils, CBD. I combined essential oils with CBD. I also have just natural CBD. But the products were made specifically for certain situations. So the one that I have here is Go. We use it more for constipation, but it really is for mucus exchange, which can be used really to open up sinuses, maxillaries. It could be for allergies, it could be for migraines, just inflammation. Now you can just apply, let's say, topical surface. That's fine, rub in. But also, you know me, a movement lesson. So here's a movement lesson using the upper sinus cavities. So now I'm just going to drop just a couple of drops, keeping it this way so it doesn't drip down my forehead. I am, quote, rubbing it in. Just in between the brow. Now that it's in, I'm offering a movement lesson. Now, with movement lesson, I want to keep as low muscle-based response, so I'm going to try to support myself as much as possible. And when you're working with the temple, you want to expand the space. Expanding the space meaning you want to offer more room for circulation, for function. I'm not squeezing my head, but in this position I am lightly stimulating the rotation through the temple. I'm not poking soft tissue. So I'm just sort of like you were going, oh, land, I see land, that kind of movement. And now at the same time, I'm going down just in around the brow of the eye. Don't get the oils too close to the eyes. And I'm just looking to, again, see, I'm not working with a compression. I'm working with, so the movement is going out. Now you can do this lesson without the oils, that's fine too. Or you can use it with a product that you're using, that's fine too. And I'm just maintaining the course. If your arm needs to take a rest, rest it. Do it with the other side. Again, I'm just doing a light lift. Notice how my head lightly rotates to the motion. You really should even feel like your palates in the mouth are opening up, your sinuses are opening up. But this is just one way of changing the way your face moves in relationship to, again, migraines, sinuses, allergies, pressure, inflammation. Surgery recovery. For those of you that have had any kind of rhinoplasty, oh my gosh, this is wonderful. People get nose jobs for many different reasons, deviated septums, polyp removals. There are a lot of just, quote, minor outpatient surgery, but as you know, when you've had them, the head gets heavier. And what we're doing is we're lifting, in a sense, that head up. But again, when we lift, I want it to feel more like your whole face is starting to grow and open up. So it looks like this way, instead of just lifting, see how my face proportions don't change? I'm looking to, in a sense, grow where I'm going. So it's the forehead first, eyes, sinuses. So see how it elongates the face. That's where your touch is going. I would love your feedback. Please subscribe. I'm putting together a whole course for free. I'll have the details. I'll edit the details below. Once a course is set up, it should be set up within the week, but I'm working on a few projects. Definitely by the end of the month, I'll have a whole course set up for free of using the oils. There'll be some videos that aren't included on YouTube with it, but you know me, I'm always offering ways how to help someone move better. That's what Movement Lesson is, helping you move better. Thanks. See you later.